even if we atheist, or you don't believe in God, this is the time to, okay? And I'm not judging you if you don't believe in God. I'm not saying anything, but yeah, this is the time to believe in God, guys. This is the time, because I never thought I'd heal from that. And when I've ever since I've always been loud. I've never had someone ozongihlalisa phansi uzothi ejo baba kude ukushona right now, are you okay? What is into your head? I had to be strong for my mom. My mom was the weak one. Mangibona umama makhala, guys. Yo angazi kam ish mangibona umama makhala bafisa angikhoni, like angikwazi. I can't stand that, like angeke ngikhona, you know. So yeah, man, my mom, I had to be strong for my mom, and ngicabangela more than ngicabangela mina, because that is how much I value that woman. And uyona umuntu engisile ngayo emhlabeni manje, yabo. If she leaves me, I'm alone, guys. I'm alone, and I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose, and I'll never be the same again. Trust me. So yeah, I had to be very, very strong for my mom. And then yeah, guys, Nakula high school. High school, even after the passing of my dad, like angazi like angisumuntu othanda ukukhuluma ngezinto too sensitive, because ngumuntu onenhliziyo encane. I cry easily, and angithandi ukuthi uma umuntu ungitshela inkinga zakho, of which people do that so much. And you don't understand ukuthi kunzima, guys. Yazi nginaleyo nto le, mina ngithanda abantu I'm valued more by people that are older, like abosisi abadala. Like mangithi abosisi abadala ngikhulu nabomama abadala, mhlambe kucala boma 30 yeah 30 ukuya phezulu. I attract those women, and bangithanda ngendlela emangalisayo, yabo. And now they even tell me their problems as young as I am, and now I need to sit there and listen to traumatic stories zabantu abadala bengitshela. And I'm not